I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Elantra N Line versus Honda Civic Si. We'll dive into what makes each of these sport compacts a compelling choice. The Elantra N Line boasts a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine, producing 201 horsepower. Meanwhile, the Civic Si counters with a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, delivering 200 horsepower. Both vehicles offer impressive performance for their segment, promising an exciting ride for drivers. When it comes to transmissions, the Elantra N Line provides flexibility with either a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic or a 6-speed manual. In contrast, the Civic Si caters to purists, exclusively offering a precise 6-speed manual gearbox. Both cars are equipped with sport-tuned suspensions, ensuring sharp handling and a connected feel to the road. This makes them incredibly fun to drive on winding roads or during spirited commutes. Inside, the Elantra N Line features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Civic Si steps up with a 9-inch touchscreen, though its Apple CarPlay and Android Auto require a wired connection. Both interiors are designed with the driver in mind, featuring supportive sports seats and intuitive controls, creating an engaging and comfortable cabin experience for daily driving. Considering value, the Elantra N Line typically presents a slightly lower starting price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Civic Si, however, is renowned for its exceptional resale value and long-term reliability, which can be a significant factor over time. Ultimately, both cars offer a fantastic blend of performance and practicality. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.